It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. What to do if your partner doesn't want to save your relationship. Facing a relationship where your partner doesn't want to work on it or hesitates to commit to saving it can be a challenging and emotionally draining experience. In this post, we'll talk about how to understand and address such situations effectively. 1. Understanding your partner's perspective. The first step in dealing with an avoidant partner is to deeply understand their mindset. Often, their reluctance to work on the relationship doesn't emerge overnight. It could be the culmination of months or even years of internal struggle, attempts at communication, and effort. Recognizing that your partner may have reached a saturation point is crucial. 2. Identify the dynamics of attracting and pushing away. In such situations, it's vital to understand which actions or behaviors push your partner away and which ones draw them closer. A common mistake is to constantly discuss problems or push for immediate solutions. Remember that attraction often diminishes not because of specific problems, but because of a lack of positive interactions and too many negative ones, arguments, or fights. These things simply destroy closeness, attraction, and love. 3. Stay present and reduce the pressure. A key strategy is to live in the moment with your partner without constantly worrying about the future of the relationship. Avoid bombarding your partner with questions about their feelings or commitment levels. These questions can be overwhelming and usually counterproductive. Instead, fuel your current interactions with positivity and warmth, allowing your partner to appreciate the present moments without the burden of future expectations or work. 4. Embrace the idea of a marathon, not a sprint. Understand that saving a relationship is often a long-term effort. Rushing to fix everything immediately leads to hasty decisions and increased stress. Be patient and give your partner, and yourself, time to gradually rebuild the bond. 5. Starting over. Curiosity and commitment. Consider restoring the dynamics of your relationship. Approach your partner with the same curiosity and enthusiasm with which you met them. Engage in conversations about their interests and passions. Create an environment where you can both rediscover each other, bringing a sense of newness and excitement. This approach reduces pressure and opens avenues for organic growth and renewed affection. By focusing on positive experiences, reducing pressure, and embracing a new beginning, you can pave the way for a stronger and more resilient relationship. 6. Emotional connection and empathy. An additional critical aspect of reviving a relationship with an indecisive partner who doesn't want to work on it is nurturing an emotional connection through empathy and understanding. This is where both partners feel heard and valued. Emphasize empathic listening and validate your partner's feelings, even if you don't completely agree. This approach builds trust and openness, encouraging your partner to share their thoughts and feelings more. By showing empathy and understanding, you reassure them that their emotions are legitimate and important. 7. Reinforcing commitment and shared goals. In addition to understanding and empathy, reinforcing commitment and aligning on shared goals is critical to repairing a strained relationship and motivating your partner to work on it. It involves revisiting the reasons you came together and highlighting common aspirations. This strategy involves reminding both of you of the shared journey and mutual dreams that have been part of the fabric of your relationship. Talking about future plans and aspirations can rekindle enthusiasm and offer a sense of direction. 8. Shared experiences and memories. Creating new shared experiences and cherishing memories is a subtle but powerful way to rekindle connection in a relationship that may be under strain. This approach involves participating in activities or revisiting places that hold special meaning for both of you. It could be as simple as cooking a meal together that holds nostalgic value, revisiting the place of your first date, or engaging in a hobby you both enjoy. The goal is to create moments that are both enjoyable and emotionally meaningful, thereby strengthening the bond you share and motivating your partner to work on the relationship to save it. This strategy goes beyond mere conversation and taps into the emotional aspects of the relationship, which often have a greater impact. Shared experiences serve as a reminder of the joy and satisfaction that a relationship can bring. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.